Simplify the following expressions fully. Thank God for calculators for this one as well. So all you have to really do is do it term by term. So when it comes to these things, I will separate them. So I'll do firstly 1 over 9 to the power 0.5 times x to the power 4 to the power 0.5. So the first one, you can just put in a calculator and you get exactly 1/3. And this one, well, it's just simply, when you've got powers and powers in both cases, you just have to multiply these. So it'll be 4 times 0.5, which is 2, so x squared. So that's A done. Now for B, let's have a look. When you have a negative power, the idea is to basically take reciprocal, is to flip upside down. That's the first thing to do with negative powers. So it'll literally be root 2 over x. Now it will be plus 2. And now this is just means you're squaring both terms. So practically we're going to get root 2 squared, which is just simply 2. X becomes x squared. Easy. Now part C. Right. So this one, you can do a lot in your calculator as well, but let's go ahead and lay out. When you divide, do it as a fraction. So you're going to have firstly x root 3 over the square root of 48 over x to the power 4. Okay, not bad so far. Not bad so far. So to simplify this further, what you could do is realize that we have roots under both. So let's go ahead and partition the roots. So on the top line, we've got x root 3, which is okay. On the bottom line, we've got root 48 over root x to the power 4. Now let's go ahead and simplify. When you got a square root and a power, at least an even power, think of this root as a power of a half. So this is simply 4 times power half, which would just simply cross out to give us x squared. And now because we're dividing on the bottom line, this goes straight to the top line. So it's going to therefore become x times x squared, which is x cubed root 3 over root 48. And finally, to simplify root 3 over root 48, if you just put in your calculator, you'll simply get a quarter. So it's a quarter x cubed.